I'm Fariba. I'm a medical doctor. This is my second time coming to this event. I love it. I think there's a lot of potential to this gathering, like social events, outdoor events, meetings with conferences. So I think it's a great opportunity to connect, network, and enjoy and have fun. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sherwin Armand. I'm here for the Center of Facial Pain and Dental Sleep Medicine in Newport Beach, and on behalf of Newport Care Medical Group. This is a great mixer. We get to meet a lot of great people, talk about great things, and I highly recommend to anyone else who'd like to come to do this every time you see it on the schedule. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Patty De, and I'm so grateful to be here tonight with the doctors. It's a great night. Grateful to meet everybody here, meet new people and old people. It's a great night.
I'm Iman Sadri, relationship manager with the Citibank Business Banking Group. It's a great mixer, and it's a tons of doctors, MDs, DDS. No, it's a great mixer.
So thank you for coming out. We're going to do a raffle prize for a couple different items. She won a very special Daryush wine given to me by Daryush himself. Stay tuned for our next event. We really enjoy having you here. We're going to stay here until they kick us out after 10 o'clock, so enjoy.